Super Eagles star Ademola Lookman is in the spotlight as he competes for the prestigious African Footballer of the Year men title at the CAF Awards Gala, set to hold tonight at the Palais des Congrès in the city of Marrakech, Morocco. If victorious, Lookman will succeed compatriot Victor Osimhen, who won the award earlier this year. Lookman faces stiff competition from other top performers, including Guinea's Saliou Youssouf, Simon Adingra of Cote d'Ivoire, South Africa's Rowan Williams, and Morocco's Achraf Hakimi. However, as a great compatriot, Lookman's exceptional record this year put him ahead of the pack. The forward played a key role in Nigeria's journey to the African Cup of Nations final in February, contributing 3 goals and 2 assists. He also delivered a stunning hat-trick that helped his club Atlanta secure the UEFA Europa League title against Bayer Leverkusen in May. In the current season, Lookman has scored 11 goals and provided 5 assists in 18 appearances for Atlanta, including a crucial strike against Real Madrid in the UEFA Champions League. Simon Adingra of Cote d'Ivoire, though instrumental in the Elephants' victory over Nigeria in the AFCON final, seemed not to match Lookman's impressive achievement at Brighton in the English Premier League. A win tonight will see Nigeria surpass Cote d'Ivoire to become the second highest winner of the Men's Player of the Year award, with 7 titles. Past Nigerian winners include Rashidi Yekini, Emmanuel Amuneke, Nwankwo Kanu, Victor Ikpeba, and Victor Osimhen. In the women's category, Nigeria's Chiamaka Nnadozie is in contention of the Player of the Year award. Nnadozie had an outstanding year, helping Nigeria qualify for the Women's Olympic football tournament after a 16-year absence, and steering for French club Paris FC. She faces competition from Morocco's Sana Moussoudi and Zambia's Barbara Banda. Nnadozie is also a frontrunner to retain a Goalkeeper of the Year title, competing against South Africa Adile Darmi and Morocco's Khadija Enrichi. All eyes will be on tonight's event as Africa celebrates its footballing best. Will Lookman and Nnadozie bring glory to Nigeria? Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more fresh updates on this story.